All right, we must have 50 manatees right next to our boat here. Little babies. Oh, look at them all. Tons of them. We are catching fish right. Oh, there he goes, popping his head up. We're catching fish over here. Ooh, look at them all over there. Talk about a manatee tour. Holy moly. Oh, look at this one right here, right next to the boat. Oh, little baby one. That was his little baby nose come up. Oh, look at that guy. Woo-wee. You can almost touch that one. Jeez, you can hear them all. Look at them. Oh, there's a little baby one. Ooh, there's a little guy. Teeny weeny guy. He's like less than 50 pounds. That's cool. Anyway, talk about a manatee tour. Oh, there he goes, popping his head up. See him? Oh, look at them all popping their heads up. That's neat. Oh, he's right here.
Wow.
Oh, hey, buddy. Look at this is how close he is. He's right next to us. These are my feet. He's right there. I don't want to let my phone go.